In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently process a vendor credit in your accounting software. Processing vendor credits is an essential part of managing your business's finances. It's important to ensure that all the credits you're entitled to are accurately recorded. This way, you can keep your financial records up to date and make sure your accounts reflect the correct balance. First, get started by navigating to the New menu. Once you're there, find the option for Vendor Credit. This might be located under the Expenses or Vendors section, depending on your software version. Selecting Vendor Credit sets the stage for entering the necessary information pertaining to the credit you've received from your vendor. It's a simple but crucial first step that helps make sure everything is documented properly from the get-go. After you've selected Vendor Credit, you'll be prompted to enter the vendor information. This is where accuracy really counts. Make sure you have all the necessary details about your vendor ready, such as the vendor's name and contact information. Usually this information will auto-populate if you've dealt with this vendor before, saving you some time and effort. If, however, the vendor is not yet in your system, take the time to create a new vendor profile by using the correct details. This ensures future transactions with this vendor go smoothly. Next, it's time to input the credit details. Here, you'll enter the amount of credit you're expected to receive. Make certain to cross-check the credit memo or other relevant documents you might have received from your vendor. This ensures that all the details you are entering align perfectly with what's been agreed upon. Typically, this involves inputting the amount, the date, and any reference numbers or notes that would make tracking this transaction easier in the future. This added information is not just for your records, but also acts as a point of reference when you or your team need to look back and verify details down the line. After you've thoroughly checked all the information and ensured everything is in the right place, the final step is to save the vendor credit. By saving the credit, you are ensuring that your accounts reflect this change, which can impact your financial reports and budget planning. Ensure that the system has successfully saved your entry. Some platforms might provide a confirmation message or update the transaction list to reflect the newly added vendor credit. Double checking this saves you from the hassle of realizing later that the data wasn't correctly input or stored. And there you have it. You've now successfully recorded a vendor credit in your accounting software. By following these steps, you're making sure that your accounts remain accurate and up to date. Thank you for watching, and feel free to drop any questions below if you need further clarification. Happy accounting!